Prior to coming on board to Paradise Energy Solutions, I was a co-owner of a small technology company.
Before Paradise Energy, I was an insurance agent for Liberty Mutual Insurance.
I was a project manager in the construction field with a large electrical contractor.
I was a sales rep for a Chevrolet dealership.
What really drew me to Paradise Energy was just a fresh new opportunity that I didn't have to be stuck in an office environment 24/7.
The reason I chose to pursue Paradise Energy Solutions was the product they bring to the table, a sustainable product that has a future to it, has a future for the customer, the end user, and of course the company as well.
When I met the people here, it was a no-brainer. That was linked with their values, but the core people that I interviewed with, I knew it was going to be a good fit.
I'd like to think that other people would describe me as someone who cares, is very caring, who listens well, who's sincere, very passionate about what I do. I like to give 100% in anything that I try to accomplish.
I think the best part of this job is the flexibility that it provides in that you put forth a lot of effort through certain seasons of the sales cycle, but you also have some flexibility to juggle kids' appointments or sports activities and those types of things. There's a lot of flexibility within the job, but a lot of reward as you build those relationships with customers.
My typical day on the job, I'm out interacting with a lot of farmers and business owners, presenting them with a very interesting financial proposal for solar.
Every day is different. So it's a typical day starts out with a little bit of office work, in the morning setting schedules and stuff like that, and then keeping up with appointments and visiting with customers. Some days you're on a farm, some days you're at a business, some days you're at a residence. You really never know what's going to happen on a day-to-day basis. It's pretty interesting. That's probably the most unique part about the job is not knowing what you're going to get into.
There's a learning curve for potential customers, so you need to be a consultant. That's why it's a little bit different here, that we're not just a salesperson. We are a legit consultant.
It's neat to meet somebody that never even thought they would be looking into purchasing solar, and it's neat to meet someone, take them through the whole process. A couple of large projects I've worked on that have worked out. It's nice to take someone through the process without knowing that they were going to buy solar, and then you work with them through the whole process and it ends up working out for them.
I love the freedom that Paradise Energy allows me to work my own schedule, to accomplish things that I couldn't do alone. Like, I need the team behind me, and I know Paradise Energy here is a great team. I can call them at any time and say, hey, how do I manage this tough client that I might have? The team that we have is huge, and another great reason why it would be great to work here at Paradise Energy.
The best part of my job is just being able to travel. I get to meet so many nice people in what I do, interesting people that are down to earth, care about the earth, and I have that opportunity to go into these different facilities and learn so much. Every day is a new day. I enjoy that.
Paradise Energy met and exceeded every single criteria as far as what I was looking for in a company and the value-based system that they had.
The reason I'd recommend an individual join Paradise Energy Solutions is the opportunity Paradise Energy Solutions gives that individual. Not only does Paradise look at you as an employee to help the business move forward, but they also invest in their employee. They want to see that employee better themselves as an individual and as part of the company.
It's a completely different culture than anything I've ever been a part of. They believe in the people that they hire, from the president of the company to the installers and everybody in between. Everybody truly cares about one another. It is a team, and they want to see all of us succeed.
The reason I would tell you to work for Paradise Energy Solutions is pretty simple. They have a phenomenal foundation, a transparent company, and what you see is what you get. And of all my endeavors, I've had good career opportunities. I have the best opportunity with Paradise Energy Solutions.
I love helping people make a great decision, and I love the I love the emails and the notes that I get, after the fact, after the installation is completed. I get an email, here's my electric bill. Thank you so much for, for what you guys did. This is so exciting, and I'm so glad to have worked with Paradise Energy. Those are the icing on the cake. Those are the good times when you help people make a great decision, an expensive one, but a great decision, and they love the product, they love the company, and they're very, very happy with the end results.
You have to be a little bit tenacious. If you're going to get a lot of no's before you get a yes, but a lot of those no's will come back one day to be a yes. So you've got to follow up, you've got to be on the ball.
You have to enjoy working with people. This position requires that you care about people, that you like working with people, and when you can do that, you're going to thrive in this position.
I would recommend Paradise Energy as an opportunity for employment because of just the great team and the vision that the owners have here. I think I've developed as a person. They provided tools for me to develop not only my sales skills, just as an individual, giving me confidence in some areas that I struggled with, but also the freedom to, here's the tools, go get it. And so really the sky is the limit. A lot of really good support, strong support behind me.
It's a life-changing experience to work for a company like Paradise Energy. The culture is a big part of it, the values, and you're really part of something a lot bigger than yourself when you work for Paradise. It's a great team of people, and it's definitely, for me, it was a life-changing experience to come on board with the company.
It's a challenging industry to be in, but a lot of huge opportunities.